Hello, my name is Sean Prudent, and I'm the training manager here at Beckhoff USA. One of the most common questions I get from people looking to take a live training class is, which training course is right for me? To help me answer this question, I typically ask 3 questions of my own, which we'll take a brief look at here, and see how these relate to my class recommendations. Okay, the first question I typically ask is, what experience do you have with Beckhoff or other industrial automation products? I like to ask this question to help me understand the general pacing of the course. Someone with existing automation knowledge or programming can usually move at a quicker pace through the class because they already have exposure to the core concepts we're teaching. Alternatively, someone brand new to industrial automation or programming would typically need more time thinking over and practicing the concepts. The next question I like to ask is, which Beckhoff technologies are involved in your application? Because there are classes on so many different topics like PLC programming, safety or motion, I need to know what subjects you want to learn about. The last question I like to ask is, what are you going to do with the information that you learn in the classroom? In my experience in the last 11 years, I find that generally speaking, students either support existing applications or develop new ones. And because of this, we have classes geared more toward developers needing to program the machine or change how it works, and other classes that are geared more for maintenance personnel who are focused on troubleshooting and repair. Now that we've covered these 3 questions, please be thinking about their answers and feel free to utilize our course selection tool that I've put together to get a course recommendation for yourself. Alternatively, you can always reach out to us and we'd be happy to chat with you about training as well. One final thing before I go is that I wanted to mention our 2 most popular classes. The first class I'll mention is TR 3029. This class is only 3 days long and offers a very fast-paced look at our TwinCat software, PLC programming, TwinSafe, and motion topics. This class is typically best suited for people with existing experience with Beckhoff or other industrial automation products and is geared more for developers. The other most popular class we offer is our TR 3025 class. This is a slower paced class that provides more time to cover the basics of hardware and software, as well as PLC programming. And it also offers a look at some maintenance and troubleshooting tools that can help you keep your machine running. Besides these 2 courses, there are lots of other classes available, so please check these out on our website or contact us for more information. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the classroom.